Yo, guys. Strata Sanyes. Ke bone mkhepolo wa 31 years. Story se vice versa. Ba bang ba re ke le Niger o ntse continue ka story. Right. Fana na e tshwaretse motho wa moshweshwe. Mfana ya kae? A jika ka mo di Zimbabwe ka. A bua ya motho. Bana ba ba e re le botseng Strata. Yo, motho wa 31 guys ngare ke khomu. O bana ke le botsa ke re guys bona. We South Africans, we are depending on salary. And was no share na 6,000 e palla we. Bona ga jeno Slay Queen asisile kwa. Ngare ke ko then what must we do? Yeah, Thabiso la tata ka dis. Slay Queen is feletse ka kanyim. Shula to go studio go. Ina 31 years. Re. Na ke ire. Khawana le strata ngwana kwa. Khawana le quick money, eh? Guys, if you root something, each and every country has their culture. South African culture, if you check our movies, gangsterism, whatever. How the movies are Nigeria, how the culture ya bona. Hey, no robela, yelengi hambe, giyekaye zulwini, yelengi hambe. Stratos college maspa. That's why Raspala as the Kokomela guys. Batho ba twala, batho ba lwala. Lwali. Le sati no te kagela. The Slay Queen.
Hi there you guys and welcome back to the channel. My name is Solo. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course do make sure that you do share this video. So HIV activist Thabiso wa di ARVs is called out for making fun of the 30-year-old KZN lady who turned very much old. Now, after the misinformation about the lady was shared on social media that she had gotten old after having love with a foreign man, South Africans were online celebrating, saying that she had chosen to be involved with a Nigerian man, knowing very well that they are not good people, only later to discover that this lady suffers from a rare medical condition called progeria, which rapidly ages her. And this is a rare condition. It says that out of 200,000 people, one person is most likely to be infected. And now HIV activist Thabiso did this video, of course making fun of the lady, saying that he too had been warning young girls to stop dating foreign men, and of course using the lady as an example, laughing, you guys. Now people were actually very much fed up and not pleased with his actions. They were quick to call him out for his actions, stating that they do not find it funny as that lady has a medical condition and it was not what blogs are saying. People were asking Thabiso if he had seen the podcast or if he chose to just be stubborn and ignore the fact that there's no such thing as witchcraft or Nigerian man. They were also reminding Thabiso that they supported Thabiso after his daughter was brutally unalived by her boyfriend, and they were saying, how dare you come here on social media to make fun of someone who clearly is sick. A lot of people on Facebook were actually saying that they should just cancel Thabiso because what he did was totally unacceptable. What do you guys think? Please do engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Like this video and do make sure that you do share it so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video.